Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was feeling pretty rosy today, got my rosy shirt on, and we're gonna do this rose garden eye look today. So first, I'm starting off by priming my eyes with my Milk Jumbo Eye Crayon. And we're just gonna blend that out with a... Now taking my Morphe M167 brush, it's a flat-ended brush. It's perfect for packing on more than one color. I'm going to go into my box of crayons palette by the Crayon Case. And the first color we're going to delve into is the color Magenta. Now normally I would take a setting spray to get the color ready, but today I just didn't do that. So I'm going to pack that red on very nicely. Spread it out halfway onto the eyelid. Now going back into the palette, I'm going to take the color Lime Green. It's a very light kind of green, but we're just going to put that on the outer edge and make sure it fades into the red very well. Now going into the color green, we're going to put this on top of the lime green. This is giving it more of a pop and more of a vibrant green that shows up. And then I'm going to go back over it a little bit with the lime green. These colors really match my shirt today. I was so excited. And now taking my LA Colors Jumbo Crayon in limeade. Oh my goodness, it was not a good time. I got blue eyeshadow on my head. But what are you gonna do? I'll clean it up after. So we're going to take the Lime Jumbo Crayon and we're just going to put that on the waterline and lower lash line. Now going back into the box of crayons palette and my Morphe M167 brush. We're going to take the color Magenta again, and we're just going to smudge this in the inner corner and halfway onto the lower lash line over the Jumbo Limeade crayon. I love putting shadows over the Jumbo crayons. It creates a nice effect. This completes this video today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!